We are pleased to show you the 2021 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, trailering package, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.